What is up guys, Dan at the side. In this video, I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly tutorial of Creatio CRM. So first you need to head over to the Creatio's website and then you need to search for CRM, and after that you just simply need to log in with your account. As you can see on the right side, I have logged in with my account and this is my profile. And then here is the CRM tool open, and when you click on this drop down list here you can see the CRM, and in the CRM section here you have multiple options like the accounts. When you click on accounts here you can see all the accounts of your company that you have created here in the Creatio. And if you want to add something new, you can just simply click on this new button and then you can add. To add something, you just need to write the name, the type, like what you are adding, the industry you want to select, and the primary contact, and then you need to enter the web URL and the primary phone number. And when you're done, you just simply need to click on save. And after that, when you close this account section, you have this calendar section here, wherein you can just simply schedule your meetings, you can schedule your events, and you can just schedule multiple meetings uh, for future use. And when you click on this task button here you can see all the multiple tasks that you have assigned to your team, or that what tasks are assigned to you or any of your team member. Here these are some of the examples. And when you click on contacts here you can see all the contacts which are here in your project. And if you want to import, you can just simply click on this import button and then you can import your contacts from web forms and pages and Excel too. And if you want to add a new contact, you can just simply click on this new, and then a pop-up window will appear. And from here, you just simply need to enter these details and then you need to add your new contact. And when you click on this campaigns button, here in the campaign section, you can see multiple campaigns that you have set or that you have created. And if you want to create a new campaign, you just simply click on new again, and then you just name the campaign. Let's say I'm naming this, and you just set the goal. After setting the goal, you just need the UTM campaign, and when you're done, you just simply need to click on save. And after that, your campaign will be created. And when you click on this bulk emails here, you can see all the bulk emails that you have received or sent or that you have created for your team members. Or if you want to create a new email, you can just click on create email, and then you can just simply create your new email by just writing the name, the goal, the email type like the focus email or the normal one, or just it's just an invitation email or the newsletter email. You can choose from these according to your requirements, and then you just simply need to confirm that and then you need to save it. And when you click on leads here, you will see the leads that you have generated for your company, or the current leads that are here in your company. When you click on opportunities here, you can see the current and future opportunities about you and your companies. And when you click on this orders, here you can see all the orders that you have sent or received in your company. As you can see, these are the multiple types of orders. And in the cases section here, you will see all the complaints that are being registered here in your company and are waiting or which are in progress. And when you click on this knowledge base here, you can see all the knowledge base solutions that your team members or your company's managers have posted. And if you want to add something, you can just simply click on this new icon here. You can add a new campaign, lead, contact, problem, account, case, change, opportunity, invoice. You can also create a new invoice. Yes, guys. You can set a new event, a new contact, a new order, a document, or landing page like the lead registration or order registration. You can also do bulk emails, product, employee. Simply, these are the options that I just showed you here. And if you want to search anything, you can just simply search on this app. When you click on this icon here, this will collapse and this will come out by just clicking on these. And then on the right side here, you can see this is the Creatio AI. Simply click on it once, and then on the right side in a small window, the Creatio AI will open. And then you just simply need to click on agree. And after that, you can just use the Creatio AI. And when you click on this communication panel here, small communication panel will open. So from here, you can just communicate with your team members, your employees, and from here, you can just chat with your calls, or you can just view the calls history. And here, these are the email section wherein you can read and just reply to all the emails. And these are the messages section, and when you click on this bell icon, here you will see the notification section wherein you will receive all your notifications. When you click on the settings icon, you will open the settings of your particular project. And after that, you can go to the process library, the process log, the users, technical users, functional roles. And here, this is the security section, the portal setup section, and imported integration section. You can also integrate OAuth 2, socially generating service, chat settings, and multiple things. And you can also set up your system according to your vision requirement. So this was basically a walkthrough and a beginner-friendly tutorial for Creatio CRM. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.